Hey everyone, Ed here from the Great Indoors, and today we are here at Clean Eats in Menor, Ohio, and it's on the corner of Isley and Menor Avenue over here. We've already ordered, Michelle's already inside, and this is supposed to be healthy style eating. So let's go in there and check it out. I was under the impression that there might be a salad bar here, but there isn't. But you could customize your food in a healthy fashion to however you want it. So let's get in there and check it out. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle. Okay, this is how it works here. You have your bowls over here. You got your flatbreads, your wraps, your burgers, and you're making mussel, and these are the sides. I end up going with a medium bowl, and you could choose your base, and the options are whole grain pasta, rosemary potatoes, brown rice, kale, and I'm not going to pronounce quinoa, and spinach. I end up going with the whole grain pasta, and by protein I went with chicken. You could also go with salmon, turkey, burnt ends, shrimp, shredded beef, black bean, gluten-free bread chicken, or bison. Wow. And then you could choose up to 3 of the veggies, and you can see spinach, green peppers, red onions, mushrooms, broccoli, asparagus, Brussels sprouts. Michelle would love to know that Brussels sprouts are here, zucchini. And then you can go with the sauce. And I've been told that the Chipotle Ranch is awesome, baby. So I end up going with that. And Michelle ended up going with the Clean Eats burger. And she ended up going with the turkey bacon burger. It was $9.69. And I think the food is going to be out pretty soon. Haven't gotten the wrap, but maybe next time. You have your different options for soda. You got your water. I went with a water. And Michelle, what did you end up going with over there?
An energy drink called Ghost.
Ghost? So does that mean you're going to disappear when you're done drinking it?
No, I was hoping for the honor of Patrick Swayze's birthday.
Oh yeah, good one. And you could also, this is all one continuous shot, guy. You could have your meals custom made for the entire week here. They have, let's just take a look. Okay. Cajun chicken Alfredo. Pre-made. All you gotta do is throw it in the microwave and you're ready to rock it out. You got Big Boy 2.0 bowl. I don't know what it is, but it sounds awesome, okay? Hearty beef ragu, bourbon chicken mac and cheese. And the prices range from $7.39 all the way to a shareable meal for $20.99. And you can order all these things online as well. I will put a link to their website in the description. Clean Eats. It's very clean in here and a nice, calm environment. I mean, now all we got to do is check the food out and see how it is, and away we go. And they even have, look at this, protein mixes over here where you could have your power drink in the morning and be good all the way until dinner time, right? Cool. So you were there with me at the Super Bowl party with Karen, right?
The last couple years.
Yeah.
Yes.
She seems like a really nice person.
She's down to earth. She's really fantastic.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think she would have preferred to be here for when we make the video.
But she's off on Wednesdays.
Is she really?
Yes.
Okay.
But every day, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, she is here.
Well, this video is going out to you, Karen. I mean, I know it's been almost the start of football season before we actually did it. It was the end of football season when we saw you, and now we're ready to start 2025 off with a bang. So what better way to start off the football season, you know, by maybe having a Super Bowl or a football game and get your meals here and watch it while you're watching a football game. Instead of eating all that unhealthy pizza and wings, you get your, because I could pick them up right after I'm done at Longhorn on Sunday, and then I could take the food over to your mom's house and watch the games over there.
That's right, and go Browns.
Yeah, Super Bowl. Yeah.
Yes.
$1,000. We're going to win it when they win the Super Bowl.
And then
yeah.
we can buy more Clean Eatz foods.
Yeah, awesome, baby. All right. I knew that would put a smile on your face. Michelle's like, Clean Eats? Oh, weren't we supposed to go there like back in February? Like, oh, well, better late than never.
But this is the only time we have had a chance to
Yeah.
really get away and
Yeah.
have a not such a hectic schedule. you know?
Absolutely. All right, I'll bring you guys back when the food comes out. Okay, Michelle, you just tried your energy drink. It's 0 sugar, right?
Correct.
Just so you guys know, where is it? Right there, 0, 0, 0 across the board. And is that any good? I mean,
It's like a strawberry cream cake.
right?
It's really good. It's
Wow.
strawberry flavored,
Who would have thought that something that has no sugar in it could be any good, right?
and it has energy. So I guess I'm going to have dinner with Patrick Swayze. Better watch out, Ed.
We
So-
still have a few more jobs to go do, so save that energy for those jobs, not Patrick Swayze.
Oh, I thought I
Okay.
could do my.
The last time I
pottery.
checked, I didn't think Patrick Swayze was around anymore. Okay.
I'm going to make some. I'm going to make some pottery with him. Okay.
All right. Cool. And here, ooh, yeah.
There's your burger.
Thank you.
Let me know if you guys need anything.
I could just pour that. What's the best way? Just mix it all together and then pour it. Okay. Cool.
what I usually do,
I'm a
yeah.
rookie here, so yeah, there you go. Okay. Ooh, look at that! You got like a little apple. Is that? Oh, that's your side of apple.
My apples and peanut butter.
Ooh, I like that. That's a turkey burger, turkey
bacon.
bacon with
Right.
lettuce and tomato.
Right.
Okay, that is, my food smells really good.
And smooth peanut butter.
Okay, cool. And this is what I end up going with. There's the chicken, there's the green peppers, and there's like a corn and bean combo mix, and mushrooms in there too. So I think the thing to do is to stir it all up. Oh, there's like, what is that, rotinis over there? Yeah. What, those are the whole grain pasta. Right. Not pasta, like Ken Dobik would say. It's pasta. Pasta. I don't know where he started. Mike calls it pasta. It's just so weird. Okay. In the comments, let me know, how should it be pronounced? Should it be pasta or pasta? All right. Maybe in Canada that's how it's done. I don't know. All right. And then I'm going to pour some of this on there. Let's just put it all in there. There you go. There we go. And then I'll continue the mixing action. I was probably doing good until healthy-wise until I added that sauce on there. But you got to give it something to kick it up, right? All right.
I am with the right hand.
That's right. Okay, you already had a first bite of your turkey bacon burger, and what do you think, Michelle? Is it a keeper?
Oh yes, most
Yeah.
definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the apples, and it's very smooth peanut butter.
Yeah. So you dip the apple in the peanut butter and go with it that way?
Correct.
Wow, that's interesting. Okay, well, Michelle, you can take the thing and get my initial opinion of this over here.
For any of those, the ingredients are listed.
All right, you got the green peppers on there, mushroom.
And you can see all that steam, so you know it's
Get
just
some of that corn going on in there.
very
All right.
hot.
Mmm. Very good blend with all the flavors going together. It's warm. It's cooked fresh in the back, and everything goes perfectly together. I mean, really, really good, Michelle.
Excellent.
Next time you come here, I highly recommend getting a bowl. This is a medium too. That's a lot of food for a medium, I would say. You know, and again, look at that.
You can order them. So, like,
As I'm going into it, there's a little bit of kick to that Chipotle ranch. It's at the back of the tongue and around, you know. But wow, very good combination of foods here. Tastes. I can see myself getting this again and again. I know I like green peppers. I know I like mushrooms. I know I like corn, and I like everything that's in here. So it's a great way to start off. You know, when you're not familiar with what it is you're eating, you try to stick with things that you're familiar with. And like the girl recommended, you know, trying the Chipotle ranch, but the sweet chili is another one that's supposed to be really good. So pretty cool. And they're starting to get busy here. All right, like, comment. I'll put a link to their website in the description. Pretty cool. Check this out. Michelle is happy already. What do you got there, Michelle?
They have iced coffee mix, and all you mix it with is milk or water.
Milk or water? Yeah.
Milk or water. You know, that's pretty
And
darn cool.
did they say how much it is or what?
It's
It says Tama Teas $8.99.
They're $32.99.
This is $32.99 right there?
The big bag, yeah.
Okay. Cool. Thank you for correcting me. Okay.
and here we go when I get into a smaller size.
Yeah.
Or size right on out.
Nah, that's we would get rated R videos then. I don't need that. Okay. All right. Yeah, look at that. High protein coffees here. And she says that they're like $32 for one of these pouches over there. Just imagine though how many you can get out of that one pouch. Pretty cool.
Well,
So Michelle, what did you think of Clean Eats?
I feel cleaner already. And I got Patrick with me, so here we go. I love it.
Natalie was really nice. That's the girl that
Absolutely.
took our order. And what was the girl's name that stopped by?
Sarah,
Sarah. Nice.
Nice to meet
Very
all of
friendly
you.
people. Everyone was really nice in there.
and friendly and
Yeah.
patient with us.
Yeah, because we were, like I said, rookies, you know?
Absolutely.
So I'm glad we got in here and finally tried it. And now that we've tried it, we will definitely be returning.
Absolutely.
Especially when I saw those pizzas. Yeah, they're like cauliflower pizza. You would love that. But that would be something for the football game, right? Your mom's
Very.
got an oven, doesn't she?
Yes, she does.
There you go. There you
Okay.
go. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this quick video here in Menor Clean Eats. Would you come back here or what?
Oh, yes, most
Yeah?
definitely, yeah.
All right. Cool.
And they have like the to-go meals. You
Yeah.
know, that's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
So maybe when I clean out my unhealthy freezer, maybe I'll get some meals for us.
There you go, Michelle. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks, Karen. Bye.
Bye.